Hey there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today's word is a fun one. Xylophone. You've probably seen this colourful musical instrument before, but do you know how to say it correctly? Let's break it down step by step. The correct pronunciation is xylophone. Let's break it down. First, xy rhymes with sky. Next, lo, a soft lu sound, like in love. And finally, phone, just like telephone. Now say it with me, xylophone. One more time, xylophone. Awesome job. So what is a xylophone? It's a musical instrument made of wooden bars that you hit with mallets to create sound. Each bar produces a different note, kind of like a piano, but you strike it with sticks. Here's an example. A child might play a xylophone in music class. Did you know? The word xylophone comes from the Greek words xylon, which means wood, and phone, which means sound. So xylophone literally means wood sound. Now let's talk about spelling. It's spelled Xylophone. Even though it starts with X, it sounds like Z, just like xylophone and xylitol. Now that you know how to pronounce it, spell it, and use it, you're a xylophone expert. Let's say it one last time together, xylophone. Great job. Thanks for watching Say It Right. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who might enjoy learning new words. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.